welcome back to another gluten-free, lactose-free and yeast-free baking video. How are we doing today? Today's video is going to be slightly different because I am going to be using and reviewing the Rosanna Pansino Unicorn Cupcake Decorating Kit. So, let's go! So let's get this open and see what's inside. I like the packaging and the fact that it's cardboard, which means it can be recycled, and it's very thin, which is great as well. So I've got some sprinkles, or some little ears, which will go nice with the icing as the topping. Oh, some cupcake cases. How many do I get in that? 12 cupcake cases, that's excellent. And some unicorn horn candles. That's brilliant. So seeing it as now, quickly I'm going to be whipping up some of my gluten-free, lactose-free and yeast-free vanilla cupcakes, which I will leave a link in the description for the recipe for you. I wanted to open these on camera, these cupcake, what she's calling, what does she call them? Baking cups. I call them cupcake cases, but that doesn't matter. Oh, the gold inside, which I really like, and she's put this in. This is just a clear little same size shape as the cupcake, which is really good because it's allowed the cupcakes to stay the same shape throughout the shipping and delivery. And I really love them because they've got the eye decorations on them, which I doubt you can see, but they've got some eye decorations, which means you don't need to then pipe them onto the icing as well. And they're gold inside. I don't know if this has a special meaning as to if they cook quicker or anything, but I just really thought they were really cute. So I'm gonna make those cupcakes and see you in just 1 second. So now that my cupcakes are out of the oven and have had plenty of time to cool, I've also whipped up just some simple buttercream icing. Mine was 70 grams of butter softened. I like to use lactose-free butter, plus 140 grams of icing sugar and half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. And I will write the recipe down below for you because I think that'll be a darn sight easier for you to follow, and I haven't actually done a video on just that icing. So the first thing I'm going to do is look at how beautiful these have turned out. They're gorgeous. The eyes is actually a really good indicator on how to decorate them, because then I will turn this way and I will actually see what I'm decorating as I know which is now the front with the eyes. So now the first thing I'm going to do is just chop off the end of my buttercream. You can make it as thick or as thin as you like. I'm going to make it about 1 inch thick because I can. Okay, so now let's just do this. You can use a nozzle if you want to, but I just like to not worry about a nozzle and do it with the rounded end. Okay, so that's on there. So the first thing I'm going to do is open my sprinkles when I find out how to. Oh, there's a tear bit there, good. Tear that little end off. Oh, goodness, we've got some casualties already. And just sprinkle a few on. There we go. It doesn't matter if it goes all over the plate because it can go straight back in its bag after you've finished. And I am now also going to add these little ears that Rosanna has provided. Unfortunately, I can't eat these because they are not they are not lactose free, but I think that they look stunning, so I'm going to put them in anyway. How have you done it, lovely? So up here. Now, as I've said 100 times, guys, I'm not the best at decorating, so just bear with me, okay? There we go. And then the little candle in the middle, by the looks of it. Oh, I need my scissors. And dead in the middle. See, now you can move things around as you see fit if they're not perfect. There we go. I am pretty happy with that. So now repeat this with the rest of your cupcakes and I will see you after that, because that is the end. And that is it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to check out all the links in the description, as I love them all and wouldn't have put them there if I didn't, including the recipe for these lovely cupcakes and the buttercream, and also where you can get this set for yourself. If you do make this at home, don't forget to tag me and Rosanna on Instagram and use the hashtag BakingWithVickiie so that I can see all of your lovely creations. Let me know in the comments below of anything else you'd like to see me make, gluten, lactose or yeast free, as I do them all. And finally, don't forget to like, leave a nice comment and subscribe if you want to see more, and I will see you next time. Bye!